the 2007 Honda Accord. With less than 30,000 miles on the odometer, this four-door sedan prioritizes comfort, safety, and convenience. It features a front-wheel drive platform, an automatic transmission, and a 2.4-liter four-cylinder engine. Top features include remote keyless entry, front bucket seats, air conditioning, tilt and telescoping steering wheel, power door mirrors and heated door mirrors, an overhead console, and power windows. Alloy wheels sit inside the fenders, yielding an attractive, well-proportioned stance. For drivers who enjoy the natural environment, a power moonroof allows an infusion of fresh air. Honda ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, front side impact airbags, head curtain airbags, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Are you ready to experience this vehicle for yourself? Call now and schedule a test drive.